Yes.
Is your marriage irretrievably broken?
Absolutely.
Is there a possibility that you're pregnant?
The issues are rarely easy.
And are there children under the age of 18 of this marriage?
Yes.
And neither is the process. Besides the court time, there are deadlines and state-mandated forms for child custody, parenting plans, and proof of income. Most people tackle them without an attorney. It's called pro se.
Attorneys are a luxury for a lot of people. The cost of rent is high. People are just barely making ends meet.
So thousands of families bring their questions here.
Is there children under 18?
Yeah.
The Family Law Information Center in Kent. Here you'll find forms and instructions, a quiet workspace, and experienced facilitators to answer questions.
To serve somebody by mail, you have to get permission from the court to do that.
The facilitator's office specializes in providing people with procedural information, so they can come here and get information on how to respond to a case, how to file a case, how to file a motion, what is a motion, things like that. And then if they need legal advice, so if it's a really complicated issue, we can get them a referral to legal counsel.
The Bar Association provides volunteer attorneys in the center every week. There are also volunteer attorneys in court and someone else who specializes in keeping things on track.
Hi, I'm calling about your dissolution. Yes, that's your divorce.
Melinda Johnson-Taylor is an early resolution case manager, an attorney who does not dole out legal advice, but can go further than most facilitators in navigating legal obstacles.
Anytime a judge needs me to step in on something and help the people, I'm more than willing to do that.
Kind of sort out whether he wants to go forward with a default or not.
And if I don't know, I can go find the answers.
So have a seat. Somebody talk to you in a minute.
So that's nice, whereas facilitators don't always have the luxury of time for legal research.
If you have a facilitator that can have people sit down and say, these are the forms you have to fill out, what do you think the issues are going to be, and that can get worked out, those people just walk in and see the judge with their finished paperwork, and the judge asks a few questions and away they go. If they don't have that kind of front-end help, they might end up spending 3 days of a judge's time sorting through this stuff.
Hi.
Oh, hi, Melinda. How are you?
Good. What brings you here today?
Well,
Melinda helped Rick Moreno with his case.
I know I couldn't have done it on my own by any means. Even though I represented myself, if I didn't have the support and the knowledge of the people that were at least pointing me in the right direction.
He is a single father of a son. He didn't want to spend the money on an attorney because clearly he has other things he needs to spend his money on.
I don't know too many fathers that gain full custody of their child and not have to go through a lawyer and spending his life savings on something, you know, to fight for that kind of situation. So for me,
Melinda, appreciate your help.
the case was amazing.
Thanks. Bye now. It is really important to have these kinds of support services, not just because it makes it, in the long run, more efficient for government to pay for this, but it's better for the people that come into court. Good afternoon. It's not easy to come to court. It's certainly not fun to have to talk to a judge.
We try to make a really bad, stressful process as easy as possible.
The marriage is dissolved.
Thank you so much.
Good luck.
For more information on the Family Law Facilitator Program, call 206-296-9092 or visit the Family Court website at kingcounty.gov/courts/familycourt.